In the speaking section, there will be two tasks type. First, listen and repeat, and second, take an interview. There will be 11 items. 7 items from listen and repeat, and 4 items from take an interview. Your approximate base time is 8 minutes. You are welcoming participants to a training workshop. Listen to the speaker and repeat what they say. Repeat only once. Welcome to today's professional training workshop. Please take a seat and make yourself comfortable. The session will begin shortly. Handouts are placed on the table in front of you. Feel free to ask questions during the discussion. There will be a short break halfway through the session. At the end of the workshop, please complete the feedback form before leaving. Take an interview. An interviewer will ask you questions. Answer the questions and be sure to say as much as you can in the time allowed. No time for preparation will be provided. A university researcher is researching how applicants prepare for higher education. The researcher asks you several questions as part of an admission-related interview. How do you usually prepare for important exams or assessments? Which academic skill do you think is most important for university success? Reading, listening, speaking, or writing? Tell me about a subject you found challenging. How did you improve in it? How do you manage your time when you have multiple academic deadlines?